So we promised you a vlog, and I guess this is kind of a vlog. This is our first official BGG vlog, and it is a introduction to our dogs. You can see one of mine back here, not the whole body. This is Sam. Sam, come in. Not interested. Joker is here next to me on the floor. And then you'll meet Archie, who is Amber's dog. So enjoy this random compilation of dog videos. It is basically an excuse for us to showcase our dogs, to be honest with you. So hope you have fun and hope you enjoy our dogs as much as we do. Meet Joker and Sam. They both pretty much sleep most of the day, and it's quite hot, so here's my boy. Hey boy. Hi. You playing it up for the camera? And then here's my girl. Hey girl. Sam. Sam. So these are the dogs, and they bring us much joy. Sam, can you stop licking your paws? Thank you. Joker, can you also stop licking, please? I thank thee kindly. Sit. Sit. Joker's got his paw up already. Oops. Sorry, boy. That was not a very smooth treat-giving mission. But no more. Look at that creep. He follows me every time I need a bathroom break. I don't think Sam's coming.
Archie. Yes. Should we get a snack? Or do you want to go pee?
Shortest vlog ever. Say hi to Stevie. Hi Stevie. But yeah, thanks for watching along. The vlogs will get longer from here on out, and we hope you enjoyed, and Happy New Year. You'll be seeing this when it's very much the new year, and hope you have a wonderful 2022. Bye.